So this shirt here is going to be an Incline ice dye with navy blue and orchid. And I alternated the pattern, navy blue orchid, and put the ice on it. So it soaked for 48 hours. And then I'm starting the rinsing process. So because it soaked for 48 hours, the colors don't want to come out right away. I'm using tepid water, so warm water. I actually start with cold water and then I gradually warm it up to warm to help release the dyes. But the cold water stops the soda ash. I sort of make these rinsing videos a little bit long. I happen to really enjoy seeing the pretty colors of the dye. So that's the underneath, showing a lot of the orchid. So I've gradually heated the water up to warm, and I'm just trying to help some of the dye get out of the shirt. With an ice dye, not all of the dye necessarily dissolves. So there's a little bit of residual. Just gonna let that run for a second. So I probably let that run for another 5 minutes. So I've probably been rinsing this shirt at this point for about 10 minutes. A lot of the blues need an extra few minutes. You really do want to rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. So I'm paying extra careful attention to make sure that I don't cut the t-shirt while I'm doing this. And if you notice, the water is running much clearer now. There's always a little bit of hesitation right before I open it because I don't know how it's going to look. But look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful contrast with the orchid and the navy blue. So I'm just going to give it a quick little rinse now that it's all opened up. And then the next step is going to be off to the washing machine, where I'll wash it a couple times on hot water. And then I will use some textile detergent. And here are the final results. I think it turned out amazing. Absolutely gorgeous colors.